Why, hello, and welcome back to Call Me Vegan, the plant-based cooking show currently taking place in one of the most plant-based cities in all the world, New York City, New York, also known as the Big Apple. I was expecting to see a really big apple statue when I first got here, but instead I just saw a really big woman holding a stick that had been set aflame. There must be an artisan around here somewhere. They're always lighting stuff up. The weather is as nice as a bee in a bushel, or as a child who was raised by parents who didn't get divorced. So I had to take this episode outside. The last time you saw me, I was a California girl. California girls were indivisible, odd numbers like 7 and 15. But we've switched coasts just as much as we have mindsets. I don't care if I'm traveling alone. I feel y'all all around me. Have you ever heard of a poolside sandwich? You know, one of those American classics with a nice refreshing drink on the side. Well, there ain't a pool around me for miles, but let's dive right in. Splash. Today in the warmth, we're making a big old slab of cold cut meat. You'll need 1 block of extra firm tofu, blended. You'll need 2 teaspoons of vegetable paste. This stuff has a lot of flavor. And a little bit of dried parsley. Now this is the real secret to getting plant-based meats to have that almost spongy, stretchy texture. Vital wheat gluten. Throw this in a 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes per side. You'll want to make 4 quarter turns for a total of 40 minutes until this bad boy is cooked.
Come here. No.
Let's take a bite of our poolside turkey sandwich. Mmm. It's good. Well, I'll see you next time, and don't forget to call me. Amen. Say tan. Where? Shout out to House of Drip. Thanks for dripping me up and down.